students, today we will learn how to write sound A. So again, we will start with the pink margin line. From the black bottom line, we will go up, make a slant line, turn it into a hook, come back from the same line, touch the bottom black line, go up, touch the hook, come down from the same line and make a small tail. A. Slant, hook, come back, go up, come down and make a tail. A. 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 Now we will learn how to write sound D. D. For writing D, we will use the same strokes as A. So make a slant line, turn it into a hook, come back, touch the bottom black line, go up, touch the pink line, come down from the same line and make a tail. D. 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 D.